What if you could live in a piece of Cypriot history, with every modern luxury built in? Welcome to a truly rare estate in the heart of Old Kyrenia, where heritage meets contemporary elegance. This dual residence property includes a masterfully restored 1930s villa and a charming 1970s stone house, offering 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and over 520 square meters of living space, all on a 700 metunus landscaped plot. Just a 10-minute stroll from the iconic harbour and beach, you're perfectly placed to enjoy the quiet charm of Kyrenia's historic Turkish quarter, with every amenity close by. The main villa blends classic features like stone floors and archways with modern comforts such as underfloor heating, smart cooling, and a private L-shaped pool complete with fountains and a garden bar. Meanwhile, the separate village house, with its thick stone walls, timber beams and private terrace, makes the perfect space for guests, rental income, or even a creative boutique retreat. Both homes offer private entrances, gardens and panoramic views, including a direct line to St Hilarion Castle. And with the most secure pre-1974 British title deeds, you're not just buying a property, you're securing a legacy. Whether you're seeking a lifestyle upgrade, a sound investment, or a soulful family estate, this opportunity is truly unrepeatable. Contact us today to arrange a private viewing and step into the soul of Old Kyrenia, where timeless beauty meets modern refinement.